In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress files in OneDrive. Let's get started right away by opening OneDrive inside File Explorer. Head down to your Windows taskbar and click the File Explorer icon to launch it. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left navigation pane and click on your OneDrive folder. This might be labeled OneDrive-Personal or OneDrive followed by your organization name, depending on which account you use. Now open the folder that contains the files you want to compress. In this walkthrough, the folder is called Compressed Demo. Inside this folder, you should see 3 sample text files listed in the file area. The next thing we'll do is select the files we want to compress. Click anywhere inside the file list to make sure it's active. Then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all 3 sample files at once. Take a quick look to confirm that all 3 files are now highlighted and ready to go. Now let's create the zip file. Right-click on one of the selected files in the file list to bring up the context menu. From the options that appear, click Compress to Zip File. A name field will pop up so you can rename the new archive. Type a clear zip file name, such as compresseddemo.zip, then press Enter to confirm it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's confirm the zip syncs to OneDrive properly. Look inside the same folder, and you should see the new zip file sitting alongside the original sample files. To double-check that the sync worked across the cloud, open your web browser and go to ondrive.live.com. Sign in with your account credentials if OneDrive prompts you to do so. Once you're signed in, click My Files over in the left sidebar. From there, open the demo folder, which in this case is named Compressed Demo. Take a moment to confirm that compresseddemo.zip appears in the file list right next to the original files. At this point, your OneDrive folder now contains a brand new compresseddemo.zip file sitting beside the original sample files, and the zip also shows up in OneDrive on the web once the sync has finished running. Congratulations! You have successfully compressed your files in OneDrive.